Diamond Crew. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for checking out my video. And if you could please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share with your family and friends. You know Easter is coming, and I've been on Temu again. Oh my God, Temu has the best balloons, garlands. You can get this stand from them. You can get the machines that blow the balloons up. I got some big old giant bunny rabbits. I got all that. I'm still learning how to do balloons, but we can all learn together. So sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy this video. So this is the stand that we are using. I got it up pretty high. And I'm going to put a picture at the top of this video so you can see some different types of stand that you can get from Temu. Or you can get the ones that I purchased. Also, this is the machine that blows the balloons up. They have all different types on Temu, but this is my favorite. And here are some of the balloons I got. Look at the daisies and the bunny rabbits. And this is a little egg. I can't wait to blow this one up. Should have said Happy Easter. I might have to write it out myself. I'm debating about that. But that's still cute. And these giant bunny rabbits. Oh my God. They're about as tall as me. I'm gonna lay it down on the ground. You can see how big it is. Now, I'm getting ready to blow it up, but let's see. Yeah, it's big. Now this is what it sticks to the floor for some reason. It's pretty long, but we can ready to blow that up anyway. And I also have a pink one. They gotta be at least 4 feet tall. And some multicolored balloons. I got 2 packs of these. So let's get started on blowing up these balloons. I wanted to add a couple more lavender balloons, but I just had the purple and white, so I decided to stuff them. And this is how I did it to get that color. Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. And you know I'm sending out hugs. and kisses mwah, to you and you and you. And happy Easter!